It's time now for Better Money, and Joel Johnson, a certified financial planner and managing partner of Johnson Brunetti Retirement and Investment Specialist, is joining me now, joining me from outside as we are practicing social distancing. Thank you so much for coming and giving this information to us, Joel.
Well, it's great to be here, Carol. What interesting times that we are in right now.
It is. I like the word interesting. That's a little more optimistic than you're hearing from some. So many times you've said that we are due for a market correction before all this happened. Well, I guess it's here. So we're going to talk about what people should do and not do in a bear market. So
right. I mean, the market's off over 30% now. And so people are really panicking and they don't know what to do or where to turn.
We have some tips. Number one, you're going to tell us what not to do in a bear market. Number one, do not panic and start selling.
Yeah, try to remove your emotions from the situation, and that's so hard. If you have a financial advisor, have a conversation with them, but at least get a second opinion before you start selling. You don't want to panic. You want to resist that urge. The markets always come back, so just try to calm down, as hard as that is to do.
And one step to keep you calm, don't check your portfolio balance every day, you say.
Yeah, don't look at it. Just don't look at it. You know, you might call it burying your head in the sand, but again, that triggers the emotional response, which is almost always wrong. So don't pay attention. Look at it at the end of the month. Maybe look at it once a quarter. Things will get better, but if you keep staring at the balances going up and down every day, that's when we make bad decisions.
And do not cash in your 401k. We are hearing some things that you can maybe take loans from your 401k without penalties. There's some new things out there, but you really don't want people to touch that unless it's absolutely necessary for survival.
Yeah, if it were me and I had the choice whether to pay my mortgage or cash in the 401k, to pay my mortgage, Kara, I would actually not pay my mortgage. I would let the bank know I'm going to be a little late. I would leave that 401k alone as long as possible. So that's another don't.
Okay. Now, steps that we should take in a bear market. Number one, keep calm and keep your emotions in check. Easier said than done.
Right, and we talked about this a little bit earlier, right? Keep your emotions in check, and I know it's hard. Talk to somebody. Try to stay away from people that talk like the sky is falling. I know times are tough, but you've got to try to remove the emotions from your investment decisions.
Here's a bright spot. Take advantage of dollar cost averaging, kind of a fancy term for stocks are on sale right now.
They are on sale. They're 30% off. And I say that with a little bit of a smile because it is good news, especially if you have more than 5 years before you're going to need that retirement money. So if you can, up your 401k contribution. If you have cash to live on, use your cash and put more money into the 401k.
Make sure your plan is diversified. This is a good time. We're all organizing our closets and doing other things with extra time. We want to make sure we have a good plan.
Yeah, most people look at what did the best last year and they put all their money into those funds. You don't want to do that. Have a financial plan and diversify your investments.
So you have an offer for everyone, and it's what to do in a down market. You're holding it there for us, and this is a free offer. If people go to bettermoneytv.com, they can write in there and get this offer sent to them absolutely free.
Yeah, and everybody that's experiencing this panic of a down market doesn't know what to do. They need to get this resource. It will help you.
What to do in a down market. All right, thank you so much, Joel.
Thanks, Kara.
That's Better Money.